You are going to love the 2026 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, privacy glass, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.